Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Afternoon to tell you that evil does not last long. Darkness can never last long. Yes, darkness doesn't last long. And all of you that have stained your hand in evil, hear me and hear me well. That the wing of righteousness is going to blow all of you out. You have started. When we tell you that Biafra have come to stay, you thought it was a joke. Many of you organize seminar. Which one of them say that Biafra is dead and buried? If you plant something on the ground, what happened to it? I do not dispute that Biafra are dead and you are buried. But I'm asking you a simple question. When you plant something on the ground, what happened to that thing you planted? That is exactly what Biafra is. You have killed us. You have buried us. It's left for us to germinate and rise again. And that is exactly what we are doing. It doesn't matter how often you try. I've told you, we have come to end Nigeria. The only country that believes in God and God does not believe in them. He's a stupid person that keep doing business. He doesn't get game. He keep losing and he keep doing the business. Only a foolish person. Only a foolish person will keep doing business. And inside that business, he does not have game. And he keep maintaining doing that same business. Only a fool. Only a fool will marry a wife. 20 years, 30 years, no fruit of the womb. And he still believe that maybe in the next 70 years, before 70 years, that woman will put to bed. Only a fool. Only a fool. As if your vote have ever counted. During Jonathan, Buhari come up and say, if you want to have a stable light, if you want to have a good road, better economy, vote Buhari. And all of you foolishly and idiotically were gallivanting everywhere. Your PVC, it's time, your power, your voice, your vote. At the end, Buhari enter. And you people begin to wish, oh, I wish we leave Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan was better than Buhari. Oh, Another election. Your PVC. Oh, if you no vote, you are the cause of our problem. And you are the cause of our predicament. Oh, God will judge you. Every pastor preach to member to go and find PVC. Say, some churches even lay curse on their member if they did not get PVC. And if they did not go to vote. Why? Because Biafra say Biafra will not vote. Because there is no use for vote. We have been voting for many years. No good result. So what is the extent of voting? Only a fool remain in particular business that does not yield a game. And he keep doing the same business. Only a fool. And I've seen it in Nigerians. Nigerians are intellectual fool. They are full of intellectual fools. Fools, very foolish. They have chopping cow meat, say their brain are now like animal, cow animal, then think like cow. No wonder, even snake, they swallow money, nobody they talk. Oh my goodness me. And now they shout, PVC, Obi, PVC, Obi. Where are them that have been shouting? Obi one day, where is Obi? Dunumbu enter. And you people, it's not, the most annoying thing is that it's not even up to 1 year. And you are crying hunger. And you think anything will save you. Nothing will save you. Hungry will kill you. As you are starting making noise, the reason why they never kill you yet is because Biafra decided not to join you. Assuming now Biafra joined the protest, they will start killing you. Idiot. I'm not God. If I were God, I could have still just say, let Biafra delay for 4 years, more 4 years. so that you people will feel what we call better hunger. Yes. You never see something. Fools. Where are your PVC? Go and do PVC now to come out time for office. Idiot. You don't know what is going on. When we, the wise, tell you something, you don't know what we saw in a million times. You can never see it. Nigeria is a company of Britain. Then choose who be director in their company. And they decided that Buhari Mantunumbu will manage the company for them. And you are shouting. What are you shouting for? Idiot. We that knew that Nigeria is not a nation, it's not a country. It is a company. We say we don't want to be part. We need a nation where the life of people will be valuable and they will enjoy the living. You say you think we are stupid. You never see something. By the time you will enter Easter in 2 months from now, I think you will cry and lose your voice. Now you are starting, you just start the crying. You never lost your voice. I say by the time Easter, in 2 months from now, you will cry and lose your voice. So that when you shout, nobody will even notice you're shouting. You know, they have trained you to suffer and smiling. So why are you shouting? That is how them blame your brain too. Then blame your brain to the level of you leave everything to God. And that is why I say Nigeria is the only country that trusts in their God and God does not trust in them. You believe that then no. Oh my goodness. The more you own Nnamdi Kanu, the more the calamity will fall on you. The more you delay the going of Biafra, the more you experience hardship. You think I'm joking? The worst part is that you people doesn't read history. You people does not read history. That is the most worst part in your side. When I know they read history. Quran and Bible have blinded you people so hard that you people become toy. Animal is equal to you as a Nigerians. Why? Because you don't read history. Yes. Yes. Any country that is facing this kind of situation, they know they grow. They know they move forward. They can never have peace. It's just like a family. A family, when you see catastrophe in a family, that family, they can never move forward in unity. A country where people are not one, their ideology is different, their thinking is different, their ways of life, which is culture, is different. And they are saying, let me go. I want to be alone. And you are forcing them to be one with you. And you think you can move forward. Let me give you an example. I want to give you an example. Those of you who are good in having livestock, when you carry goat and you want to move with the goat draw herself or itself backward. You will only be dragging that goat. On the process of dragging that goat, look at what will happen to you. The goat will also slow down your movement. The goat will also cost you more energy because you will take energy to be dragging that goat. So you will lose energy, you will lose speed of movement. What am I trying to say? The more you own Nnamdi Kanu, the more calamity will fall on you. The more you owe Biafra restoration, the more your economy will cripple down. You will not have peace. And they tell you, you will not have peace. Have you not failed? You have failed. All those people you bought, sometimes you think money answered all things. No. Money doesn't answer all things. If money were to answer all things, I think Buhari could have still been alive by now. Money doesn't answer all things. Queen Elizabeth could have still been alive by now. Money does not answer all things. Maybe We couldn't have gotten up to this point if you couldn't have kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu. Maybe you. Yes. Maybe. I believe so. He thought about new dimension. He said Simon Ekpa is taking this agitation into a new dimension. And he knew that for the new dimension to take place, he must be absent. For that new dimension he was talking about to take place, he himself must be in absent. He must be absent. So therefore, if you wouldn't arrest Nnamdi Kanu or kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, I believe we couldn't have reached this level we reached today. That is what I know. And the world couldn't have opened eye on our matter like this. Let me tell you, now we go talk our story. That story where you dey twist, things say you fit twist our story. We go tell you, that is why we keep keeping record every day. We keep record. Because at the end of the day, we will gather all our records and compile it to give us a full story. So therefore, don't forget what I'm telling you today. It's the same thing I've been telling you. The more you see, one thing you do not know, when you owe somebody down, you are also down. You owe somebody down, you are also down. The more you owe him down, the more you are also down. The more you delay the coming of Biafra, the more your economy will crumple until you never. I've told you, you never see something. Let me just give you this prophecy. An angry man. What did I say? An hungry man is an angry man. Yes. An hungry man is an angry man. You see this anger where you they inflict on your citizen. It will get to the point where they know that if they stay, then go die. If they no stay, then go die. So therefore, let them die. It is better than die with those who stab them to death. And they will carry stick, they will carry iron, they will carry knife, they will carry everything and pursue you. You see this government, where you say now you be the government, you they steal the money, then go pursue you, they will kill your children. If they enrich you, they will tear you apart. Then you understand the word. An angry man is an angry man. You just say, I just bring this to your idea. You know, sometimes we tell you what will happen in advance. We know you are good at 4 things. You will begin to intimidate them with police. You will begin to intimidate them with police. Now, police, they first come, throw checkers. When you intimidate them with police, if they have a little mind to still withstand, the next thing you will do is to begin to, propagate lies. You will say they are criminal. They are paid by Igbos. They are paid by Biafrans to come and disturb the government. You begin to blackmail them because you are good at blackmailing. Immediately you blackmail them. All the newspaper, you pay them every morning to begin to carry on the blackmail. The next thing you will do is to invite the terrorists in uniform, in army uniform, to kill them. And few of them who doesn't know that time have reached for them to go inside war with all those terrorists. Then go run. Everybody will run back and say, Abeko, they don't kill us, they don't kill us, they don't kill you. What next? I don't want to die now. Let me go back to my normal business. God, I leave it to your hand. God, I leave it to your hand. Then there will come better propaganda. Again, to cool down the situation for the world not to believe that they are vampire. The government that killed them people. The government that was not elected by their people, who turned to be vampire killing their people by themselves. That is the government of Nigeria, or democracy in Nigeria. Go and rest. That is what makes Biafra difference. No matter how you intimidate us, no matter how you kill us, we still tell you that we cannot bow down. We are still here moving forward. We are still telling you that we need nothing more than Biafra. We still say, release Nnamdi Kanu. We are still having one voice, that it is Biafra or Biafra. We never change. A true Biafran, even though it is 1 year old, a true Biafran, a child that Biafran blood run in his vein, he knew that it's a Biafran. And if you ask him, just carry flag, 2 flag, keep for a grand for a child, and tell the child, pick the one you like, the one you know, the one you believe. That child will pick Biafran flag. Because the blood is thicker than water. And that is why I will keep telling you that a lion does not give birth to a goat. We know ourselves. And I will tell you that the owner of the land know themselves. And the land know their honor. No matter how the woman or rich, you know her Bikin. You know her Bikin. Bikin know him mama. The land of Biafra know her children. And her children know their land. So whatever thing you try, woohoo, you are wasting your time. You have come. You have also died. Come again, you will still die. There is no way you will come to Osu or any camp of Biafra army and you will go back the same. It can never happen. You know this. You know this. And you know, it's not just one that will die. You know, if you come 20, you can never go complete 20. You can never go complete 20. You know quite well. And everything where you carry come, you can never carry everything complete like that go. You lose soul. You lose material. And at the end, I will still be here to tell you, we still there here. We go nowhere. You have come, you have fight war. What you will be doing now, like today, you don't throw only one bomb. If you stay from wherever you dey, you go throw bomb, you go come hit somebody's house or hit nearby place, boom. You don't end. Carry your leg, come now. But the same you are going around, propaganda lies. That you don't come to us, so you don't kill us, finish, you don't take over our camp. Where am I talking to now? Is it not bush? Is it house? Please look at my other previous brokers. Have you not been seeing this thing? Is it not the same table? Idiot. You say you don't pursue us. You don't even come triple close to our barrack. Triple close to our barrack. You never even come near. Plus, how many ammo tanker? How many personnel? How many machinery? How many weapon you carry come? And yet, you cannot advance. Cannot advance. And when we tell you that we have come to stay, you can't come. You can't move us in our land. This is our land now. We own this land. This is the land of our ancestors, our own portion. We go nowhere. You can't move us. So, come more. Hope. Bring more. This one, don't tire. Then don't, even your machinery, then don't you die, wrong, come out. Say, no, be waiting there. You don't know you where they speak for you. No. We cannot continue again. This one is more than us. We are well trained. Now we own forests. We are the king of Jonko. If you don't know this. I'm telling you, when we move out, you know I've seen the now. I will not tell you the story. I will not tell you the story. When the leader tell you that we are not illiterate boga around, you thought it was a joke. We are not illiterate boga around. We are not a terrorist. So. You see this new dimension, you go feel and well. This very new dimension, you go feel and well. Any saboteur in your area. Recognize any saboteur in your area. Because time is coming. Proper cleansing will be coming. Allow me to say that Biafra is very close. Keep calm, keep fighting, keep believing in Biafra. And at the end, you'll be here to enjoy Biafra. God bless you until I come your way next time. Join me next time to laugh at the enemies of Biafra. Because we are on the laughing mood now. On the laughing mood. We are going to take time to laugh them because we are on the laughing mood. Where are the most trusted? The most trusted servant. The most trusted. I did not see the most trusted in the court today.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.